Friendly welcome plus topic. Tom. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Tom. David. And I'm David. We're really happy you're here today. Today's topic is very important, very useful, very real. Yes, today we are learning how to introduce yourself in English. This lesson is for beginners. If you feel shy speaking English, don't worry. You're safe here. You're learning. You're doing great already. Before we start, quick reminder. If you like this podcast, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. It really helps us. Okay, take a deep breath. Relax. Let's learn together. Simple introductions, step by step. 1. Saying hello. First step, say hello. Very easy. Listen first. Hello. Again. Hello. Good job. Now you try. Say it out loud. You can also say hi. Hi is friendly. Hello is polite. Both are correct. Listen again. Hi. Hello. Part 2. Saying your name. Next step. Say your name. The easiest sentence is, my name is... Listen carefully. My name is Tom. Again. My name is Tom. Now my turn. My name is David. Great. Now you try. Say, my name is... Very good. You're speaking English now. You can also say, I'm Tom. Short, easy, natural. I'm David. Part 3. Asking someone's name. Now let's ask a question. Listen first. What's your name? Again. What's your name? Very common question. Very useful. Now listen to a small conversation. Hi, what's your name? My name is David. What's your name? I'm Tom. Simple, real, natural. 4. Where are you from? Now let's talk about place. You can say, I'm from India. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Canada. Listen. I'm from India. Again. I'm from India. Now you try. I'm from... Excellent. You're doing great. Ask someone. Say, where are you from? Again. Where are you from? Part 5. Adding one simple detail. Now let's add one small detail. For example, I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I work in an office. Listen to me. I'm a student. Now me. I'm a teacher. Very nice. You don't need long sentences. Short sentences, perfect. Part 6. Full introduction. Slow and clear. Now listen to a full introduction. Listen first. Don't repeat yet. Hello, my name is Tom. I'm from England. I'm a teacher. Very simple. Very clear. Listen again. Hi, I'm David. I'm from Canada. I work in an office. Now it's your turn. Pause the podcast. Say your introduction. Good job. You're improving already. Part 7. Real life situations. Let's practice real situations. Situation 1. Meeting a new neighbor. Hi, my name is David. Hi David. I'm Tom. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Very important phrase. Nice to meet you. Repeat with us. Nice to meet you. Part 8. Common mistakes. Small tip. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes help you learn. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. You don't need perfect English. Wrap up. Recap plus community question. Okay, let's recap. Today you learned, hello, hi. My name is, I'm from, I'm a student. I work. Nice to meet you. Amazing work today. You listened. You practiced. You spoke. That's real progress. Now our community question. Tell us in the comments. What is your name and where are you from? Write it in English. Short is okay. We read your comments. We learn together. See you in the next episode. Keep practicing. You're doing great.